You are cooking with curry powder and just sprinkling it on top of a dish, or just working it into a mixing bowl of your ingredients, you might not be getting all the flavor that you can out of it. A lot of spice blends and most curry powders are shipped to you raw and needed to be activated in some way before using. Some people might call it blooming, some people might call it activating, and some people might call it frying. So here are some tips on how to do it so you can get the most out of the curry powders and spice blends that you use. If any part of your dish requires aromatics to be sweated out or sauteed, that's generally a good time to do it. First the oil, then the garlic. If you're using ginger, you can cook it along with the garlic here. And after sizzling for just a couple of seconds, it's not even cooked all the way through yet. And even before your garlic starts to brown, get a puddle of oil going in the middle and then fry that curry powder on top. It should smell incredible and everything should take on a gorgeous golden color. Take care not to let it burn though. And then at this point is when you would add in your onions and then you would sweat the onions out in this. Roasting is also a great way to do this, and I would say it's easier because it skips the step of having to individually activate the spices. Here I've got some cut sweet potatoes I'm just gonna add to a bowl. And to this I'm gonna add my olive oil, salt, pepper, curry powder, garlic powder, and a touch of MSG. Well, mix it and slap it on a sheet tray. The heat of the oven and the oil that is already on the sweet potato is hot enough to activate the spices so long that it's over 400 degrees. Remember, if it's over 400 degrees, it's a roast. If it's under, it's a bake. And also remember that when I say 400 degrees, I mean 400 degrees. This applies to more than just sweet potatoes. You can do this on chicken or ribs, anything that you're gonna roast. I don't know why I said ribs, I've never roasted ribs before.